Good morning everyone. Today we are here to discuss about a legend with a truly genius mind, Sir Albert Einstein. Here we have our group of members to discuss about him.
Myself, Amarnath Bhati. I am Abhiraj Kashyap.
I'm Aditya Nayak. I'm Sarusha.
Do you know about his childhood or when he was born?
Yes, Albert Einstein was born on and he was very intelligent, but he was discovered as unintelligent by his mother and father. He was not interested in playing with the other students. He was always into playing with mechanical toys. And when her sister Maza was born, he also told her that where her beads. He means he was so much interested in mechanical toys that he discovered her sister as a his sister as a toy.
That's why people also called him Brother Boring because every people thought he was a boring person. Nobody likes to play with him. That's why he always live alone and he always played with mechanical toys. Do you know about his interest in subjects, his studies?
Yes, I know all things. I know completely all the things about Albert Einstein. At the age of 2.5, he didn't talk properly. He was very interested in maths and science. He has also given the theory E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, and m stands for mass, and C stands for speed of light in light.
Do you know about dream, his career, and in which university he decided to go?
Yes, Einstein was like to go in the University of Zurich, in which he met a student named William Mack, and he fell in love on her.
We all know.
And in 1903, his marriage took place, and he had two children. And in 1909, he divorced because his wife Melba Merritt was means, not so feeling good that she was a scientist and cannot do scientific works.
Milva Merrick was 3 years older than Albert Einstein. His mother refused to marry her, but after 2 3 years, somehow he married with her. And as Aditya told, he got 2 children, and the couple was divorced, and the divorced in 1919. Then at the same year, he married her cousin Elsa.
Okay. So in the 1905, his special theory of relativity also gave a fame. That was E is equal to mc square as Aman told sometime before. We all know about his university. When he was passed out from university and when he secured a job, what was his job? Can you please explain?
Yes, since 1900 he was graduated, and he was unemployed. He teaches in a university or gives lecture, but after 2 years, that means 1902, he got a job in the patent office in Bern, in which since he was patenting the theories of other people's, he was discovering his own theory also, which we also told that the theory of relativity.
And in 1905, he proved the theory of relativity, which means E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy and C stands for speed of light in vacuum, which is 3 into 10 to the power 10 meters per second.
And a solar eclipse proved that theory that it was correct.
Okay. In the 1950, his personal chapter gave him a world fame, and due to the world fame, he received the Great Nobel Prize in the year 1921. Can you please explain about his atomic theory or the destruction made by using his atomic theory or stealing his atomic theory? Can you please tell us?
Yes, the atomic bomb that was developed by the scientists of America, but the scientists used the theory of Albert Einstein that is E is equal to mc square and America decided to blast the bomb on two cities of Japan, as Japan was very influencing at that time. That was Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He blasted the bomb, means America blasted the bomb at 6 and 9 August 1945.
Einstein wrote letter to the American president about the destruction, which Einstein was feeling very bad for the destruction. because the theory which Einstein gave was used for destruction. Later he joined politics and his life continues. And
He
at the last,
protested, means he protested for the not the use of nuclear weapons, and it was not intended to make it as a weapon. He used it to means for producing energy for the welfare of the society.
even now, in some parts of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the effects are seen. The new babies born are handicapped, or they are not their body is not full of their vitamins and something they are lacking something they are lacking about their health. And Einstein gave a famous quote which I personally like very much. When you sit with a nice girl for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. And when you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours.
Okay. He also wrote a menace about the bomb blast in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He wrote a menace to the UK, but there was no impact. Later, as Aditya told, he joined politics and his life continues by protesting and by spreading awareness about not to use the nuclear weapon. And finally, he died in the 1955 at the age of 76, and this was the end of his life. But we will never forget this genius, with a truly legend person with a truly beautiful mind. Thank you.